Hello, welcome to the YouTube channel Geographia with Rashid Faridi. This is social geography class. Today we will discuss about clan, gotra and tribes. These terms are often used interchangeably and some people confuse about it. We will have a brief description of the three terms. First we will come to the clan. A clan is a group of people united by actual or perceived kinship and descent. Even if lineage details are unknown, clan members may be organized around a founding member or apical ancestor. Apical means apex here, and an ancestor at the top of the genealogy. The kinship based bonds may be symbolical, whereby the clan shares a stipulated common ancestor that is a symbol of clan's unity. When this ancestor is non human, sometimes it can be non human, it referred to as a totem, which is frequently an animal. Clans can be most easily described as tribes or subgroups of tribes. So, clans are very near to tribes, although not exactly the tribe. The word clan is derived from clan, CLANN, clan, meaning children or progeny. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word was introduced into English around the year 1425 as a label for the tribal nature of the Scottish Highland Society. Clans in indigenous societies are likely to be exogamous, meaning that their members cannot marry one another. But it is not the case everywhere. Some clans are endogamous, like modern tribes are endogamous also. Clans preceded more centralized form of community organization and government. They are located in every country. Members may identify with a coat of arms or other symbol to show they are an independent clan. They proudly wear that symbol and they proudly display their symbol as a tribe or as a clan. So, clan is a kinship organization, kinship social structure. Now we will come to the Gotra. This Gotra is a variant of clan in Hindu society. In Hindu society, the term Gotra means clan. But there is a difference. We will come to that. It broadly refers to people who are descendants in an unspoken male line from a common male ancestor or patriline. It runs on patriline, a common male ancestor. Generally, the Gotra forms an exogamous unit, with the marriage within the same Gotra being prohibited by custom, being regarded as incest. It is punished as incest. The name of Gotra can be used as a surname, but it is different from a surname and is strictly maintained because of its importance in marriage among Hindus, especially among the higher caste. Panini defines Gotra for grammatical purposes as Apatyan Parutrami Gotram, which means the word Gotra denotes the progeny of a sage beginning with the sun's son. When a person says, I am Kashyapa Gotra, it means that he traces his descent from the ancient sage Kashyapa by unbroken male descent. Means Kashyapa's son, then his son, then his son, then his son. One of the important and popular Gotra is Gautama Gotra is also there. Gautam Rishi. It is Rishi, that is a Hindi equivalent of sage. Mainly these Gotras run on the name of, from the line of these sages. Among non-Brahmins, the Gotras generally do not go back to sages. It was the case in Brahmins, except in case of some communities such as Rajputs. In Rajputs, sometimes it runs back to the sages. Now we will come to the more popular term tribe. A tribe is defined as a social group existing before the development of or outside of states. State here means nations, sovereign nations. Many anthropologists use the term tribal society to refer to societies organized largely on the basis of kinship, especially corporate descent groups. Some political economist theorists, such as Elman, told that tribes represent a stage in social evolution intermediate between bands and states. Other theorists, such as Martin Fried, argued that tribes developed after states and must be understood in terms of their relationship to the state. Tribe is often a negative term due to its roots in colonialism. The word has no shared referent, whether in political form, kinship relation, or shared culture. It conveys a negative connotation of a timeless, unchanging past. To avoid these implications, some have chosen to use the term ethnic group or nation instead. Some anthropologists, some social scientists use the word ethnic groups instead of tribes because tribes have some negative connotations. So these are the three terms: clan, gotra, and tribe. Clan is much near to the Kabila, although not exactly the Kabila. Gotra is an unbroken male lineage in Hindu society, and tribes are defined as group of people connected by kinship and descent and common customs. We will discuss about ethnic groups and social groups in another lecture. Then we will understand these terms better. You can give me feedback and find details about these things on my blog, Rashid's blog, rashidfaridi.com, and give feedback for this lecture. And if you want any other video lecture on any other topic, suggest that in comment. Hope you have understood these terms. Thank you. To meet you again.